Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a simple song or a dubstep song on suno.com. So what you have to do first of all is to go to the website and click on the create option. Now if you have your lyrics, you can add it to the custom section, but since I do not have my lyrics, I can just go to the simple section and create a song about create a dubstep song about, let me say, dubstep are usually about, they're just beats, so let me say about cats. I also want it to have hard beats, and I think that is okay. And then all I have to do is click create, and it should give us my song about cats, that is dubstep. We'll wait for it to load. So the song has been rendered to some extent, and we can play them to see how the beats are. Already we can see how good this is, so we can just so this is a very good song. So this is how to create a dubstep song about any idea you have. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a comment below. Thank you.